Okay, so how much you are open to accept the situations? A little bit or more? You know why? Because it determines the quality of your life. Huge. Hugely determines it. How? See, throughout the day, whatever you are doing, interacting with people's, buying products, interacting with them, doing a lot of stuffs. One thing is always common that you are collecting memories, isn't it? If you are using smartphone, if you are talking with any person, you are collecting memories. And you know what? That memories creates your emotions. Okay, you said it's not good, but it's reality. Memories creates emotions. It's simple. See, suppose if you have a friend and the friend is all, and your friendship is all over 2 to 3 weeks old. But what happen if the friendship goes around 1 year? And you will see in the first 1 or 2 weeks you hesitate, spend money with that person, go somewhere with that person because you don't trust that, right? But after a certain period of time, when the time passes, you will see that your acceptance starts improving. You accept the situations, you accept the person that he is good or she is good. Okay, you don't hesitate to spend money because now he is your colleague or maybe your best friend. But the starting is not the same way. You know why it happens? Because now you gather a lot of information about that stuff. And not only this, if you really want to understand something, suppose if you get mess around you something that you don't know why it's not working, what's the thing with your studies, with your programming, with your business, why it's not working. So one thing is very common, that you interpret memory in a wrong directions. Yes, you have the memory with that person, with that product, with that business, with that programming code, but you interpret in wrong directions. You don't know why it happens. And the only one key is to reinterpret it is just to start recollecting the memories. Delete the previous one. You cannot fill the pot if it is full. You only fill it when it's empty. So you need to empty this for a certain period of time. And trust me, for emptying it, it's take a little bit effort, but you can do it. If you really want to create things, if the thing is really important to you, and if it's not, so you're not gonna do it. It doesn't matter how much you are motivated, doesn't matter whatever they are saying, you cannot do it. Now it's a small thing. Now talking about the big concept, that acceptance, how it comes and what is important of it. See, if you're thinking that your all lifetime is just a creation of your stories that you collected in your mindsets, it's not the reality. Your whole lifetime, whatever you see right now, is just a collection of your fact and figures. That how you interpret your facts, your figures, your memory. And with that concept, you came up with the huge stuffs of your thinking, of your emotions. And what happen if you're gonna change the first step? Just like that, if you wanna start anything and you figure out what's a crucial factor to produce that stuff, and you focus on that crucial factor, automatically that product starts improving. It's the same way. Similarly in lifestyle, you need to focus on one thing, that how you can enhance your fact and figures and memory around you with that person, with that product. And the more advanced in the sense of great, in the sense of good memories you collected with things, with the persons, automatically life starts improving. You don't need to figure out what you need to do, what you not. You came up all across the right directions. Automatically you don't need to do anything else, because now you understand the life by accepting the good memories. Now, accepting something means you accept the situations that is not working for you or it's working for you. But the case is here now, 95% people don't understand the things. Don't accept the things. Of course, for accepting things, you need to understand the stuffs. But if you don't understand the stuffs, automatically you don't understand this. You don't accept the situations. So understanding is very crucial here. You just observe it. And you see a lot of people, around 95% people, they said, I know about this stuff, I know about that person, I know about that situations. But in reality, they all know about only 10 to 20% of that, and rest of the things they don't know. In fact, if you read all the libraries throughout the entire world, you still know the minuscule of the universe. That huge universe is. But with things that we know a lot of stuffs, now we are feel free, now we are great in life, we can do something that is great, and that makes us feel great. But it's not the reality. Thing is that accepting is sense of art, you can say it, art, yeah, or it's a reality, it's a common sense. You need to do it. Suppose let me clear this to you in a simple example. You run a business with your partner, and your partner is your best friend. Now you feel hurdles in the business and you don't want to tell with your partner, because all hurdles comes because of that person. And if you tell them, so you're fearing that he's gonna hurt, right? Because he is after he is colleague of you, right? So don't do it. Do you know why in that era you don't accept the situations? Because of your memory, because of your emotions that comes in between. And with that, you don't accept it. That if you tell this to your business partner, so business gonna start improving. But if you don't tell it, so you're gonna destruct it. And because of that fear, you don't tell it. It means you don't accept the situations. And not only in this sector, in another perspective of life, talk about any product, any things, any situation to the person or to the younger one. He try to tell us about it. In fact, he don't know about, he just knows a little bit about, and he try to connect the dot what he has selected the data inside mindset and tell you about what it looks like. But you will see there's few people that say I don't know. Okay, when you ask the questions, when you say something to them, they're better off to take out of some stuff. They just tell you some stories. But a few one who tell I don't know, would say I don't know. And when they accept the situation that they don't know, then they can improve it. If you accept the situations, only then you can improve it, only then you can enhance it. But until and unless you don't accept the situations, you cannot do anything else. But the one thing, that is distractions. That's all. So one thing, remember, throughout the day, whatever happens, you have the ability to accept the situations as soon as possible. Because as soon as you accept the situations, so easily and so fast you can change it, right? And here's one important thing that you need to keep in mind: destructions in the phase of progress is not destruction. I repeat it: destruction in the phase of progress is not a destruction. Okay, so in the case of business, where you have to tell your partner that it's not going well, it doesn't matter he is hurting or not, but the thing is that for which you are working together, the aim of both of you is not going to be great, is not going to be fulfilled if you don't accept the situations and focus on that one, which triggers out your actions, right? If you do anything else and it triggers out your actions, so focus on that core, because once you focus the core, all things becomes great. Just like that, if you are in his studies and your marks usually contain in one subject, so you need to focus on that, because after all, because of one core subject, your percentage improves. In business, focus on one thing, that how improve your products, your all business improved. And not in any in this aspects, every aspect of life, there is one core concept that you need to focus, and it hugely decide your way of life. And today I'm talking about, it's a small aspect, that is acceptance. So are you gonna accept the situation or not? After seeing this, might you have to do, because it's essential if you really want to create life. So let me summarize the small step. Acceptance is very crucial, and for accepting situation, you need to see the facts and figures, and you need to go beyond that by focusing on entirely one core concept that you are working for it, whether it's with the person, whether with the product, or whether in the company. And you need to focus on your one core concept. And when you do this, you start enhancing situations. And remember one thing: destruction in the phase of progress is not the destructions. So accept the situation. So meet you next one. Stay healthy, stay happy.